it's the day after Thanksgiving, and Cassie and I are headed over to a neighbor's house because every year they have this like fry cook-off and shoot a bowling ball out of a cannon that's powered by Tannerite. So it's been like 5 or 6 years since I've been over here and seen it, never got it on video. Today's the day, and Cassie is completely overdressed for this occasion because she ain't from the country. Also, quick side note, as I was driving out of my gate here, I found this box from 187 Customs. Y'all know who that is. Mr. and Mrs. Murder Nova. And I ordered a car. So I'm gonna let y'all experience this unboxing as well.
Oh man.
Except he didn't sign it. Sean! What is this? I'm glad your address is on here because now I'm sending you something. Subscriptions, all kinds of stuff. I'm sending this back so you can sign it, just so you know. All right, so here's how this cannon situation works. It's like some old like pipeline tubing, steel tubing, and they've got Tannerite, which is an exploding target for the city folk that aren't familiar. And they put it underneath the bowling ball, shoot it with a rifle, and it launches this bowling ball literally into orbit. It goes so high that you can't even see it, and it doesn't matter where you're standing, it looks like it's going to be coming down on top of you. And the thing with a 12 or 14 pound bowling ball that's falling from, well, outer space, it doesn't matter what you get under, she coming through it. So you can run in the house, you can get under a car, it doesn't matter, it's coming all the way through. So don't try this at home. How heavy is this bowling ball?
I grabbed the light ones.
I think that one's only like, I think that one's only 8. George put the shit down in there.
Yep.
That's the way it's supposed to go.
Oh my. It's still up there.
Watch your head. Singing.
Oh my gosh. Was it whistling?
That's the way it's supposed to go.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
You weren't kidding whenever you say it goes higher.
Dude, that was epic. What do you think?
Crazy. I almost died. Barely made it.
Whatever. So I don't know how much of that could actually be seen, but this thing went at least like a mile into the sky. The hang time was unbelievable, and you could hear the finger holes in the bowling ball as it's spinning, just whistling as it came back down to earth. I'm gonna go see if I can find it. Oh my god! Oh.
2 pieces.
Oh shoot, right here.
Oh.
Oh my god. It's still bouncing out there. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Right there.
Oh
Hey,
my god.
that's the only thing I'm saying.
No
I got it first try.
Yeah.
Oh my god.